Hi everybody, Professor Benlu here with a look ahead into Unit 2 and what we will be doing. First of all, our chat will be held on the 9th, our chat number 2, which will be so interesting. The 1960s, a very turbulent era, a lot to discuss. And I also will be going over Unit 2 discussion board again. So I hope to see you there. And due dates, very, very, very important. Your Unit 1 in telepath is going to be due Tuesday the 9th. So that's the Unit 1 remaining due date. Unit 2 due dates, very important. On Friday the 12th, you will have two things due. You will firstly have your Unit 2 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, everybody, it's so very important to do the determined knowledge for that Friday deadline, because completing the determined knowledge allows the system to create the learning path or nodes that you must complete for the Tuesday and telepath deadline. Okay, so that's the determined knowledge due on Friday the 12th. The other thing that's due Friday the 12th is going to be your Unit 2 discussion board original post. That's where you answer the prompt. Now remember, everybody, I posted the videos and through an announcement explaining the assignment. I also posted the videos and my PowerPoint explaining the assignment within the discussion board as well. So please take a look at that and feel free to ask me any questions. Okie dokie. So Tuesday, the 16th of July, you have two things due as well. Firstly, you have your Unit 2 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And secondly, on the 16th, Tuesday the 16th, you have your Unit 2 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, everybody, after the 16th, your response post will no longer be accepted. So please get those in. It's so incredibly important to remember the due dates and keep track of the due dates, keep up with the due dates. I've always told my students the key to the 5.5-week semester is getting things done early and turn in early. Don't let things snowball. So please remember that. And of course, if you have absolutely any questions, please let me know. Alrighty, everyone, have a great week.